Today I'm going to be showing you guys a technique where you can take a simple, boring piano loop like this one here, and transform it into an entirely new instrument like I did with this beat right here. Once again guys, if you like the drums from this beat, they are available to download in the description box below. All I ask is that you like and subscribe. So what we're going to do now is go into our mixer and we're going to add this plugin called M Frequency Shifter. This is a plugin that's absolutely free and I've actually included a link to it in the description below. What this plugin is going to allow you to do is frequency shifting rather than just plain old pitch shifting. This is going to completely change the harmonics of the sounds that you use it on and almost create an entirely new instrument. I'm going to run through a few of the more powerful functions in this plugin. First up here is shift. So the shift dial here allows you to make frequency shifts. This is going to be one of the more powerful functions in this plugin. As you can hear, just completely reshifting the entire instrument sound and creating something absolutely new. Another powerful function in this tool is the shape dial down here. This is going to allow you to control the overall shape of the adjustment that we're making to the audio. As you can hear, you can just completely distort and contort the sounds that we're using. What I'm going to do now is just play around with those two dials primarily, maybe some of the other ones, and just figure out a cool sound that I can use in a beat.
A few moments later.
Alright, so here's what I eventually came up with. Here is the loop I just played for you guys after all of the shifting that I was able to do. Notice I changed the shift down to -251 Hertz, and I played around with the shape a little bit as well. What I did after that was I added back the original piano loop, just to add a little bit more high presence to the overall texture. After that, I added all of these drum layers on top. Once again, if you would like, they are available to download for free in the description box below. So with these drums, I used a more grimy texture, a drum break, as opposed to just a clean 808 sounds, just to add a little bit more aggression, a little bit more dirt to the beat. After that, I added these 808s with just a pretty simple pattern here. After that, I added this choir sound on top, just to add a little bit more texture and character to the beat. And also it helps provide a little bit more melody as well. And so all together, when we add all of the elements back in, so if I took that one layer away where I reshaped the piano, this beat would just sound a lot less interesting and just have a lot less presence. Once again, this is a very useful trick that you can use whenever you have a sample or a loop that just doesn't sound like it's very interesting and not taking up much room in the beat. It just sounds kind of dull. This is one of the techniques that I like to use just to add a little bit more character and a little bit more interest and intrigue to the beat. So if you liked this video and you thought it was interesting, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. And also while you're at it, please do like and subscribe. The download to the drum kit is available in the description box below for free. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday.